Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually sign out of your Valorant account. So, the thing is pretty simple. If you are inside the game, so for example, I am now inside the game, I can play, you see my name, etc. So, how I can sign out of my account? Well, first of all, guys, I need to explain that signing out is not quitting your account. So, quitting your account is just like closing the launcher itself. But in this video, I will show you how to sign out of your account. Basically, there is two things to actually be able to sign out. The first thing, which is clicking on here, and then if you go exit here to desktop, it will exit you to your desktop. But instead, if you are in a like inside of a game, for example in rated or competitive or whatever it is, let's go for example for a deathmatch game and play it. And as you can see here, let me just join the game and you will see the difference of options that I will receive. So let me just wait a little bit. So at the first, you saw that they gave me the option to exit the launcher. Now let me just join the game and see what the option that they will show me now. So let just the game loads a little bit. I hope they don't kill me. So let's get inside. Yep, here we go. So basically now, guys, let me just kill him. Okay, nice. So let me just go here, and as you can see here, this exit to the desktop and leave match. So I'm not going to show you these two options, but I'm going to show you how to sign out of your account. So let me just close this real quick, or close the Valorant, or just go in here, exit to desktop. So here we go, and as you can see here, when you click on exit to desktop, they will give you these two options. So these options, which are, do you want to exit? So here you can exit directly to your desktop, and here you can sign out and exit. So if you want to sign out and exit, you can just click here and they will do that for you. So yeah guys, that's how you can sign out of your account. Thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.